Dear friends, today I am going to show you the laptop is not turning on, but if you connect to the charger, the light is blinking. The light is turning on, but the laptop is unable to start. So here is a solution. Please unscrew all the net. I already unscrewed the net and kept it ready. So please be careful by opening it. You can open the panel using any opening tool safely. After opening tool, you just unplug the battery. Unplug the battery pin and re-put the battery pin. See, now the laptop is turning on. This is the basic power failure, so that the laptop will not turn on. The people will be scared that something has happened, and they will take to mother service center and other things. So service center people will tell the motherboard is faulty, and they will try to recover some more amount from the people. So this is a basic solution, so that you can do it in your home. And this is the first aid, so that you can able to see the laptop is turning on now. It will be helpful for all the people.